If you need to replace the turn signal bulbs on a Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. And in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the turn signal bulbs found down low in the front bumper of the car. Now you're not going to need any tools to do this, but you will need some gloves or a rag just to pull the bulb out. So as you can see, I've already popped the bonnet. If you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Just put your hand in above the Toyota badge, lift it up, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With that safe and secure, we can just take a look. And now they are quite accessible on this car. However, you are going to have to get your arm right in there. So I recommend you wait until the car is a little bit colder if you've just been out for a long drive. So we're going to be looking right down there, and it's going to be hard to show on the camera. Let's see if I can see it. You can just see the top of it there. There you go, that's a good view. So as you can see there, we've got a LED down the bottom there. You don't want to touch that. But this one up here, the grey connector, is our turn signal bulb, and you pull that out, you can actually see it's a large style peanut connector, and I'll show you the bulb out in just a second. I'm just going to show you where it is on the other side as well. So same down the other side, probably a bit trickier to get to in this one, but you can just see that grey connector there. Just to try and get my arm down there so I can point it to, it's just here. So again, just going to turn it quarter turn. You can actually see that peanut bulb just there. So let me just get some gloves on and I'll show you what it looks like off the car. So I've just changed angles there so you can see a bit better, and that is what the bulb looks like. And as you can see, I'm wearing gloves, and that's because you don't want to get any of the oils from your skin on the bulb itself, because then when it heats up, it can actually crack the glass. So with these bulbs, you just give them a pull and they come out like that. Let's just take a look at this bulb. So this actually is I'll read the numbers on the side. It is a WY21W 12 volt. But if you're not sure which bulb it is, I'll just take it into your local car parts supplier and then obviously just get a mat. Once you've got your new ones, you're just going to do the same bit in reverse. Just going to get the carrier from earlier. You're just going to pop that back in. It doesn't matter orientation, they can go both ways round. And then we're just going to take that all the way back. And we've just popped that back into the light there. Now, it does only go in one orientation, so you may have to play with it for quite a while just to make sure it goes in and locks in. So there we go, nice simple video for you today. It is a little bit tricky to do. It's even harder when you've got a camera in your hand. But that's how easy it is to remove and replace the turn signal bulbs on the front of a Toyota Yaris Cross. This is a model from 2025. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.